Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will talk about how you can add a security key for your ChatGPT account. So to keep your account more secure, it is highly advisable that you keep a token or a security key as one of the multi-factor authentication measures in ChatGPT, especially if you have a paid or an API account. So let me show you how you can set up the same. First, click onto your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you will do this, this particular set of menu will appear and you can click onto the settings option. Now, within the settings, simply go to the security tab, and within the security tab, you can see the second option, that is security keys and passkeys. Use hardware security keys or passkeys to sign in. These phishing resistant methods provide stronger protection than passwords. Click onto this add option, and from here, if you wish to add a YubiKey, which is a hardware security keys that offer the strongest protection, you can order a YubiKey from this particular website. A YubiKey is like a pen drive that has a fingerprint sensor and utilizes the same in order to verify your authorization. Nevertheless, you can click onto this add a security key or passkey option to add your own digital passkey. Once you click onto this, ChatGPT will redirect you to this particular website, that is OpenAI auth, and from here you can choose where I can want to save my passkey for OpenAI. So I can either use the Windows Hello or external security key. Since my laptop has a dedicated fingerprint sensor, I can use the same as well, or also I can use the Google Password Manager as well. So for example, let's say I will simply create a sign in. So I'm going to click onto this create option, and once we'll do this, I will simply scan my finger onto the fingerprint reader, and once it has successfully verified me, you can see that the passkey has been successfully saved, and you will see this message which says passkey created. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.